What's going on YouTube? It's Orwin, Sportbike Everything, back with another video. And today, you saw the title. We're installing some Vortex Rearsets on the R6. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. We have some Vortex Rearsets to be installed on the R6. Super excited. You know, you got to be honest. You know, not everyone has $300, $400, $500 to drop on these things, but I was lucky enough to find a seller that let him go for a good price, and these are in great condition. A little dirty. I just got to clean them up, get the light on that. Little blemishes, nothing too serious, man. You know, nothing too serious. What I did not want to do was paint my stock rear sets. I think that's a big no-no. But these things, they're like, I guess they're powder coated in some way. I plan on doing that with my passenger pegs, but for these, I wanted some legit rear sets that I could put on the bike. But we got to go ahead and clean these things up. So let's go ahead and get to it. Comment below if you run into this issue or you know about these problems. It doesn't appear Vortex designed these for street purposes because there's no place to mount a brake light switch for the OEM brake light switch. But they do sell separately a pressure switch that you can install in line with the banjo bolt. So that might work. I might look into getting that. Also, the different mounting position on the master cylinder, it removes some of the space for the OEM brake line, the length of it. So I don't like the way the brake line mounts. I ended up putting it on a red braided cable just because they're a bit more malleable. But we'll see what I do in the future for this. Looking to see if I can resolve these mounting issues. But so far I have the brake light switch tucked up under my seat for now. I rarely use my rear brake anyway. Majority of my brake pressure comes from the front. So I think I'll be okay for now. Thoughts and opinions are welcome. are still recording, man. Good grief. It is hot. It is hot, man. Or maybe it's just humid. Wow. Sheesh, man, my heart rate is through the roof right now. Hey, that's gonna wrap this up. Go ahead and like the video, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. My name is Orwin. This is Sportbike Everything. Until next time.